Bienvenidos a Zamboanga. Woo! Idol, Kirbo Series Sabi, gusto nyo ba malaman kung kumusta na ang update ng aming flyover? So panoorin nyo itong video, malapit na ba matapos? The one and only Zamboanga flyover. Abang-abang nyo lang, Idol, kayo po'y bago sa aking YouTube channel, please naman, konting suporta lang po. Inshallah, makaabot na po ako sa 1,000 subscribers. For now, nasa 688. So overall, marami pang pila. Okay, so, pero sige lang, inshallah, mahabol natin. So within this year. Ayan, so malapit na ako sa school na anak. Tamang tao, yung akin na po yun. U-turn lang sandali. Alright, kompletuhin natin ang $30 minutes tapos na. But ito yung tinatawag natin the tawag nito City of City of Flowers, I forgot the term. Anyway,
Manila.
Kasi if you like to go to the pier, 5 minutes lang. Punta ka ng airport, 5 minutes lang galing sa amin dyan sa may kanila. So very convenient dito sa amin. Stop muna tayo. Alright. So what did you do your money?
I just save for food.
Save for food? What kind of food you bought?
Nugget.
Alright, there's your big brother. Hey, happy birthday, boy.
Tomorrow.
His birthday tomorrow. Where you like to go tomorrow, Boom? The house ng Boom? Alright. So, the celebration will be on Saturday. He will be turning 15 years old yan. Siya yung pangalawang anak ko, si Ivo. So, 2 boys at 2 girls. Ito si Mayang. Yeah. Ganito, Idol, ang sitwasyon sa amin dito. Medyo traffic lang, pero nasanay na rin, no? What ba si Papa promised to you yesterday?
Jollibee.
You have money? What do you like? Burger?
Burger with H fries and
Coke float. You clean first your teeth. Alright.
Okay.
Keep towel. Keep towel kay Kuan. Dali. Clean pa daw siya teeth. Cleananay ka teeth. Dali. Cleananay ka teeth. Dali na.
Last night birthday gift sila like this.
So you did not buy?
No.
So hanggang dito na lang si Paring Leo sa Idol, no? Dalawang info ang ibibigay namin sa inyo. Gaano kabagal ang Jollibee drive-thru Santa Cruz at ang ito, ang flyover kung tapos na ba. Mayang, what can you say?
My channel is coming soon.
Alright.
Go to my channel from
What's the name of your channel?
Maria Kids Play.
Alright.
Thank you everyone. I love
Okay.
you, Pa.
Love you too, babe.